Hi guys, in this video I'm going to guide you on how to use your iPad as a second monitor for your Windows laptop. And yes, this works absolutely fine. So you can actually move items from your Windows laptop to your iPad. And if you don't want to just use the iPad as an extended display, you can also choose to directly mirror your Windows laptop to your iPad as well. Now trust me, the process is quite simple, but before we proceed, we need to download some software into our Windows laptop. Okay, so on your Windows laptop, you want to go ahead and open up any browser of your choice. In my case, I'll be using the Microsoft Edge browser from over here. Once the browser loads up, you want to just come over to the top search bar and search for Splashtop Wired X Display. Search for it like so. And from the top of your search results, you should see the official Splashtop website. Go ahead and select on that. And just on the left hand side, you're going to get the option to either download for your Mac or your Windows laptop. In my case, I'll be going with the Windows. Once the software is downloaded, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here, or just open up your File Explorer on your Windows laptop and then to Downloads. So from the downloads folder, you should also be able to find it from over here. Double click on it to install the software, then click on Yes. Now it is preparing the installation. Now give it about a minute and you're good to go. From here, you can now go ahead and adjust other settings you might want to adjust. For instance, you can adjust the frame rate from over here and also the quality as well. I recommend you leave everything at normal. And on your iPad, you also want to download the Splashtop application. So head over to the App Store on your iPad. And from over here, you just want to search for the application again. And just over here, you should also be able to find it. Select on it and make sure you download and install it into your iPad as well. Once it is installed, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here. Click on the OK button at the bottom. And now you want to get a USB to USB-C cable like this one. Connect the USB-C part of the cable to your iPad. I'm just going to turn like so, then connect it to my iPad from over here. And then you can also connect this other end to your laptop. Or if your laptop actually has a USB-C, you can also get a USB-C. I'll go ahead and connect it to mine from over here. Now once you connect it, you're good to go. It is trying to connect to the laptop now. So you just want to tap on the allow button on your iPad. Also enter your password as well. And you're good to go. Now at this point, if your iPad is still not displaying everything on your Windows laptop, just below the settings page on the Splashtop Wired X Display Agent, you're going to see the unable to connect to iPad or iPhone, and then there is an option for you to download iTunes. So you want to select on that blue link at the bottom, and automatically this will start to download the iTunes app into your Windows PC or Windows laptop. Once the installation is completed, you can go over to your File Explorer one more time, then to the downloads folder, and then just double click on the iTunes file, then follow all of the on-screen instructions to set it up. So click on install, click on yes. Now once it gets to this page, also give it permission, so tap on allow from over here. Your iPad at this point should start displaying everything on your Windows PC. As you can see, mine is now working. Allow everything to finish on the Windows PC, and then you can just click on finish from over here, and then on your iPad also click on trust and you're good to go. You might also be required to enter your password one more time. And our iPad is basically mirroring everything from the Windows PC. We can also go ahead to make it a second display by simply going over to the display settings on our Windows laptop from over here. And from the display option at the top over here, you want to scroll all the way down, and just at the bottom you're going to see the multiple display option. Tap on it and then just go ahead and select on the extend these displays. Meanwhile, if in your case you do not see the extend this display option from over here, you can try to reconnect both devices again. So just unplug the USB cable, close the Splashtop app, and then reopen it again and connect both devices. You should be able to see the extend this display option from over here, and automatically your iPad will now be used as an extended display for your laptop. And I can also move files and windows from one screen into my iPad from over here. If you find this video useful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.